If you've been trying to get free stuff on Temu, but it either takes too long or doesn't work at all, you're probably not using the new method, because in 2026, the way this system works has slightly changed. And when you use the updated approach, it actually starts much faster. So in this video, I'll show you how to get free stuff on Temu using this new method and what makes it work. Before we go further, the latest working Temu Free Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. Why the old way feels slow. Let's start here. Most people still use the old method. Open Temu, start browsing, try different options, then apply a code. But by that point, you're already outside the system and nothing really happens. What changed in 2026? Now, Temu focuses more on how you enter, how you activate the system, how you interact early. That's why some users see the free gift instantly, others don't see it at all. The one mistake holding you back. If you enter the wrong way, you stay in normal shopping mode. You don't trigger the free gift system and everything feels slow. Part 2. The new method, 2026. Here's what actually works now. Step 1. Enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift system. Step 2. Activate immediately. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is linked. Step 3. Open Temu. After that, open the app. You should instantly see free gift event, reward screen, item selection. Step 4. Enter the code. Now apply the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the active campaign. Step 5. Follow the flow. Now just follow the steps. Offers, tasks, interactions. This is how rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's keep it real. Setup can feel fast. System works when entered correctly. Rewards are possible, not instant completion. Some steps take time. Results can vary. Final takeaway, getting free stuff on Temu fast in 2026 isn't about doing more. It's about using the right method. Fix how you enter, follow the system, and everything becomes faster and easier. Try this method and comment what happened. Did it work faster for you this time?